Hello, let me show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your Google Pixel 8. First of all, we can start from the brightness adjustment, so we can just click on the screen and then you can adjust the brightness level by moving the sliders. If you want to reset the parameters, just click right here. Next, we can also use the volume buttons, they are located right here. So when you click on each button, you can take the photo. When you click and hold it, you will record a short video, the same for the shutter. Next, you can just simply open the settings, so you have to just click right here in the left upper corner, and right now we can enable timer between 3 or 10 seconds. There's also the palm timer, as you can see. And the photo was taken. Let's try this palm gesture. Looks like it doesn't work for the selfie camera, and on the front it also not working. So when you open the settings, you can find other options, like for example you can adjust the function of these volume buttons. So we can switch from shutter to zoom in or zoom out. Take a look. That's how you can zoom in or zoom out thanks to the volume buttons. And if you want to also zoom in right here on the screen, you can just simply switch between the presets, but you can also click and hold it and you'll unlock this slider. So as you can see, that's how it works. And yeah, that's actually it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.